Hey, guess what? National Cupcake Day is coming up on Monday. It's where your baked goods will help raise money for a number of animal welfare charities right across the country. Mary Berg is here with some inspiration. We're gonna do it in the form of cupcakes, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna show me how to ice these, because right now I kind of do like the old school with the knife.
Swirl. That's like a mom swirl. That's what
really
my mom
is.
does.
That's what I am.
It's a good thing, but now we're gonna level that up a little bit.
I love it. Okay, what do we do first?
The first thing, we've got some cupcakes made. Now this recipe is on yourmorning.ca. It's perfect. National Cupcake Day is the SPCA's biggest fundraising campaign of the year.
Right.
And guess what? You just get to make cupcakes and eat cupcakes.
It's puppies and kittens and cupcakes. It's a brilliant combination.
Yeah, what could be more perfect? So this recipe is my classic chocolate cupcake recipe, and if you want to give it a taste.
Oh, you mean I get to eat it too?
Go on it.
I get my cake.
Yeah.
And eat it too.
And I'm just gonna go in, and it's really chocolatey. It's nice. It's not too sweet. You can also always use those
really
boxed ones if you want, but
this one's good,
right?
A little bit chew. It's good.
So we go from here, making the cupcakes, easy peasy. Even buy them, do whatever you want.
Okay.
But then we're gonna decorate. Good. So decorating is so easy. I've figured out a way to make it super simple to make your cupcakes look pretty snazzy.
Okay, and I love this. You know, I have on my Instagram account like at least 3 icing accounts that I follow.
It's hypnotic, isn't it?
I know, I love it. But now I'm gonna learn how to do it.
This is an open star tip.
Okay.
So it's like a star, it's open, it doesn't close in at all like a flower. So a closed star tip, it's closed in.
Okay.
A French star tip is beautiful and my favorite thing for icing regular cupcakes. But for this one, we almost want these to look like fur because we're making cat cakes and cupcakes.
Oh, I love it. Okay.
So the first thing we do is grab your cupcake.
Okay.
And press it down.
Wait, how are you holding your bag?
So I hold it up at the top.
Okay.
And squeeze here.
Okay.
So we squeeze.
Outside edge?
Yeah, and press it down and then pull up. Oh, here, use this one. Sometimes, wait, this is what we do. There you go.
Now
I eat the icing.
Oh, okay.
Amazing.
So then we just go all the way around?
We just go all the way around.
Outside to in?
Outside to in.
How come yours look like flowers and mine look like porcupine spikes?
Press a little bit harder.
Like into the cupcake?
No, like with the back of your hand.
Okay,
Here, we're gonna do this like ghost.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Perfect, and then up. See?
I can hear
You're doing
the
so well.
music to Ghost in my head
I know.
as we do this.
This is perfect. I'm swayzing it. Yeah. This is absolutely beautiful.
Oh, now I got it.
You're nailing it. So that's all you do. You go all the way around, build it up a little bit because you kind of want it to look like fur, right?
Okay, it's cute.
It's super cute, super simple.
Okay, and now we got to get to the fondant.
Now we're gonna snazz it up a little with some fondant.
Okay.
So I'm actually not a huge fan of fondant. I don't like the way it tastes, so I don't want a whole cupcake covered in it.
Okay.
So here we've got some white, some pink that we've dyed with just some food paste.
Sure.
Black, brown, and we've rolled it out and cut it into different shapes.
Oh, fun. Oh, you got that little nose.
Little noses. So these are like the dog noses. So we just cut out little circles.
Cute.
Put a little nose on top, and I just cut a little smile in it. So the dogs are happy dogs.
Okay.
And then we've got ears, which are kind of like apostrophes cut out of the brown fondant.
Right.
So
did you have a template or did you just freehand?
this one I just freehanded.
Okay.
These ones, it's just triangle. So if you're doing a cat, it's just triangle on triangle, and then a bunch of like polka dots and whiskers, which are just little sticks of fondant.
Okay.
And it kind of dries out a little bit, so it sticks nicely.
Okay.
So now to decorate the cupcakes.
Well, you've got tweezers.
Yeah,
That's surgery.
We're gonna be fancy with these tweezers. So do you want to do a cat or a dog?
I'll do a dog.
Okay, cool. Grab a brown one.
Okay.
And all we need to do is, so you're gonna grab 2 of those
Okay.
and stick them in like the ears. So stick them in.
Like this way? Wait. This way?
Like,
No, those look like horns.
I was
It's like a
that's
devil.
spooky dog.
This way.
There you go.
Got
it.
it.
And then you just shove them in there.
Okay, and then the little nose,
And then
right?
the nose, and then there's some doggy eyes. And I'm gonna do a nose,
Just jam it in there.
some eyes.
Are these the eyes?
Yeah, those are the eyes. You're nailing it. This already looks amazing, everybody.
Wait.
And whiskers.
Now, if this was my dog, you'd have to put teeth where it tries to bite you.
Where you
when
bite
take
you?
its food. Yeah.
Anne-Marie, look at the stinking cupcake you made.
I'll be so impressed.
It's so amazing. So
it's
some
adorable.
cupcakes, kitty cakes, delicious.
All right, you're going to join us a little later on in the show. We're going to have some kittens on the set.
There's gonna be cats.
All right, as you mentioned, these recipes are on our website, yourmorning.ca.